Talk about hair goals. Well, this will make people ask, what did you apply in your hair? Hey dreamers, welcome back to my channel. I do know it's been so long that I posted a YouTube video, but anyways, if you're new here, my name is Anika and I am overly obsessed with skincare ingredients, understanding testing on my system, and you know who to subscribe. Today we're diving into something magical. It's all about hair and hair care. Also, few products that I used that really worked well with making sure all the ingredients are safe for everyone and also giving you a bonus tip. So let's get to it. First up is this Fino Hair Premium brand hair mask from Japan Gem. I should say I've used for over 2 months, and this has an amazing fragrance that lasts for about 4 to 7 days depending on how your activities are. People will ask you, what did you apply in your hair? Because it's happened to me. It smells so nice. It's very mild. It does not affect or anything, and your hair ends up frizz free. It's also shinier than normal, but this has been one of the best that I used. I thought it was just in hype, but no, it is not. If you ask me how to use this, well, it's very simple. Wash your hair with a normal shampoo and don't prefer using conditioner but using the hair mask. So once you finish shampooing, just give a dry to your hair, the towel in, and later on comb it once. Apply this mask, just take a small portion of it, apply it, and then keep it for 5 minutes. Not exceed more than 20 minutes, I would suggest, but it is very good to keep around 5 to 10 minutes. That's the standard. Once it is done, put a shower cap or use a towel to just keep it there for a while and then rinse it out as normal. Regarding the pricing, yes, it comes under the expensive range. Each of the market, it's a different costing, so you will have to look up for it, but I can add links for y'all to get it. Twice a month or thrice a month is pretty much enough according to me. People have their own preference, please go with it, but this is how I use hair mask. I do not oftenly continue putting chemicals into my hair. So yeah, so that's how you use this. Overall, this I would give around 5 out of 5 from my end because it does work. So do try this product and let me know in the comment if you have. And let's go to the next one. Next comes the Korean beauty. So we have all heard about Korean skincare, but not about the hair care. This is the Sarah 100, and this brand is great for people with damaged hair, colored hair, using more heat. Definitely try this. This is the collagen ceramicated protein treatment, and definitely give a try on this. Reason, as you can see, my hair, I have used it right now. I mean, after my bath, and this is how it looks. If you are like me who wants to manage your hair from all the heat protection and fizziness, this is it. How to find it, the link and the details, definitely I'm going to add it in the comments or in my description so you can purchase too. For best results, you can use 20 minutes, but if you want a very quick, then 5 minutes is enough to keep this and then rinse it out with the lukewarm water. Make sure you're not using hot water for any products that I'm suggesting. Helps me to keep my hair frizz-free, shiny and smooth. As you can see, fizziness is one of the thing that I always feel a little weird with my hair because it stands like so I don't like that. But anyways, if you see my hair, it is pretty shiny and it is neat for the day. So if you want a hair goal, do check this out. Last but not the least, I have an Italian hair care for you. The Salute Sea Salt Scrub Cleanser. Salt, like you're asking, how can I put salt in my hair? Listen to me. The thing is, this salt scrub literally helps you cleanse it out. Trust the process and trust this product. I'm not hyping it up because it works for me. and I hope it does to you too. It is a slight expensive side, but it gives you spa-like treatment, cleansing all the nasty things in your scalp, such as sweat, dandruff, or anything between. Well, I have something called as dermatitis. I can't pronounce that first word properly, so pardon me for that. But this dermatitis is in a very mild stage in my hair, where I only get those in this corner as well as this corner of my hair. And to reduce it, I have tried this and this works. Because of sweat release, and due to that, I started having this issue, and I was like, there's no solution out there. I tried multiple shampoos with different chemical stuff, and it worked and it did not. Some made me increase and some did not really work. When I started using this, a spa guy, literally said me, you need to try this. And I was like, I've tried everything. If nothing works on me. But then this, literally this has worked. So what I do is, how do I use this? I shampoo my hair. Once I finish shampooing, I just damp my hair in the towel. I take a portion, like a little portion of it, I scrub it on the areas in a circular motion on the scalp. Once I do, and then I take the entire hair, it will formulate into a foam, complete foam, and it will make you feel like as if your hair is clean, too good to be true, honestly speaking. So cleanse the entire area of your scalp. Make sure you're not too harsh on your scalp, because these grains are very similar to our sugar scrub or the salt bath that you take. The granules are very similar to it. It looks something like this, but it's not thicker. But you should not scrub it too harsh. There may be possible your scalp can be a little reddish. So be a little light on yourself, mild while scrubbing. Once you do that, you start scrubbing the entire hair. Once done, just wait for a couple of minutes. Like, I take around 3 minutes or 5, depending on my day and how early I want to get out of my shower. I do that, and then I rinse it off. Once I rinse it off, I put a conditioner, which I usually use, and then that is it. My routine is set for the day. My hair looks great, I feel fresh, and my scalp feels really like as if spa-like treatment at home. And plus, it will make you feel like as if you've pampered your hair overall. If you're someone like with oily, sweaty, or combined scalp type, or like mine with dermatitis or with dandruff, try this and see if it works. See if there is a smaller version of this first, and then think about buying it. If you're planning, please read the ingredients. These ingredients work on my scalp, so I do not know about your scalp and your scalp conditions, so it might vary. Please consider all these points and then only purchase whatever has been mentioned. Please do not just go with, her hair looks amazing, so I should use. That never works, my dear. You should just know which ingredient suits you the best. Now, coming to the last thing, bonus. Before we wrap the entire hair care, I have bonus for you guys. I have 2 major things that I started using just recently, and one because it's already there in YouTube. Another one is recently launched, and I thought, why not give a try? After all the hair care aspects that I've spoken about, I have to definitely shout out my favorite Indie Wild. I bought the night scalp treatment to make sure I gain my hair back, that is, get my baby hairs out there. And definitely I can see that you might have already observed everywhere I have baby hairs growing, like literally, and even on the top there are few here. See, these are all the baby hairs grown through the process of my Indie Wild Moonlight Scalp Treatment. So this is the bottle. I've been using the Chumpy since time she's launched it, and it's been amazing. So that's the reason I thought, why not even give a try on this, and it really works. In addition to that, there is something that was trending crazily in the social media. So I thought, why not see it? Why does it really work? Is it really good? Well, I tried once, obviously, before I use anything, I do test patch it. I tried, it did not give me any side effect. This is the Wish Care Hair Growth Concentrated Serum. The reason I used it because the ingredients are really great. It has rice water, something that I really search on products these days. I do not know why I'm so obsessed with that thing, but it's rice. I'm a South Indian. What do you expect? Rice and everything is a must. So overall, this product boosts hair growth and hair. Trying this on my sister's hair, and this I'm trying on myself so that I can see the difference. She and myself has seen the improvements, and we were like, okay, it works. It's not just in hype. As you take care of your skin, products are great, but make sure your intake is something good. Make sure you add flaxseed in your diet. Whatever you're eating, you get just making a smoothie, add flaxseed to it, this chia seed to it. So these seeds really benefit your hair growth and also will boost your health together, because if you are concentrating on hair, skin, your diet, anything as such, you need to maintain all the aspect of your body. Just one thing cannot fix it. So that's it. There you have. I have not gatekept any product, and I have shared you all the aspects that I use in my daily routine. And I would love to hear from you guys if you have tried this product and want to try. I know some of them can be a little expensive, but you invest once, you can use it for quite a long period. If you have used any of these products, do mention in the comment. If you have more products that you would like to share, do let me know, because next step I want to try about K18 if it really works. And don't forget to leave your comments if you have used it or anything as such. And also don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button for more such content, and do check out my Instagram page to get more skincare and other tips. Let your hair look fabulous.